Hello viewers, welcome you all to Revamp It YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to see a MBA admission notification from Indian Institute of Management Indore. So here about the institution is recently they have received Institute of Eminent status from the central government of India. So they are offering MBA. It is an integrated course. So here the eligibility is 12th standard or else SSLC higher secondary. Those who are qualified 10th plus 2 and appearing for the examination, they can apply through online. In the description box I will give the admission link. So here those who are willing to apply, they can apply, and the application last date is 30th of March. So here the admission test will be happen in the 30th of April. So around 34 cities in India there will be examination center. So if you are ready to purchase your MBA from IIM, so you can apply. That's all. Thank you.